Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to turn on or off Android smartphone flashlight, volume, lock screen using Smartwatch with Wear OS. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android smartphone, and right now I'm wearing a Samsung smartwatch with the Wear OS. So firstly, on your Android smartphone, what you need to do is just go to the Play Store and just search for one application named as Simple Wear. Just search this application, and firstly you will see the application. Just tap on it. Just tap on install to install this application. So finally the installation has been completed. Now you can just leave it. So now just download the same application on your Wear OS smartwatch. So let me go to the Play Store and just search for a similar application. As you can see here, the same application, just tap on it. So I've already downloaded and installed it, so it's not showing install option, so it's directly showing open. So if you have not installed it on your Wear OS smartphone, then firstly download and install it from your Play Store on your Wear OS smart. Then now on your Android smartphone, just open the application. It will ask you some permissions. Say I'll just enable this flashlight. You can use while using the app. Tap on this lock screen also if you want to let it control. Just click on activate. You can allow more permission if you wish here. So just to give you an example, I have activated the flashlight and lock screen. There is media player also, call control also, Wi-Fi, location, mobile data, system settings also. You can activate all this option, but right now I'll just keep it as it is. You can just minimize it. And now just connect your Wear OS watch with your Android smartphone, firstly with the Bluetooth. So let me enable the Bluetooth on my Android smartphone, as well as let me enable the Bluetooth on my Wear OS smartwatch. So I have enabled it. So it's being already connected. As you can see here, already being connected. My smartwatch is being connected with my Android smartphone. So now say let me try to turn on the flashlight from my smartwatch. So what I will do is just go to the application and just search for this Simple Wear app. Just tap on it. You can see all the options here. So let me tap on this flashlight. So you can see here the flashlight is on. So let me tap on it again. You can see here. As you can see, now let me try to control the volume also. Let me show you. Just tap on this volume icon, that is sound icon. Now let me tap on this plus. You can see here. Let me tap on this minus. So you can see. And now let us try to lock the screen just by pressing this lock icon, as you can see here. So once I click on this lock icon, so you can see here it's being locked. So by using this application named as Simple Wear, you can easily turn on or off Android smartphone flashlight, volume, lock screen using smartwatch with Wear OS. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.